What's up? Jeremy with Elevate Body here, fitness professional. Today's video is going to be over how to build bigger triceps for you beginners. Real quick, if you're new to the channel or if you've been watching the channel and haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the little red subscribe button now and be sure to hit the little bell next to it. That way you'll be notified of any new content that we release or if I decide to go live. Okay, so I'm really glad to be doing this video because I personally love triceps. It's one of my stronger body parts. I've been lifting for many years, and I will never forget during high school baseball, my coach would always have us doing tricep press downs, I guess for stronger bat speed or whatever it is. So I've been doing them for a long time. Also, I've been able to lift triceps with Branch Warren, do a full arm workout with him. That guy's a maniac. Luckily, we got to lift arms together because I felt kind of cool because I actually held my own pretty well with him, and that guy is a freak too. Okay, I'm sure you're tired of hearing me ramble, so let's get back to you and let's focus on our triceps. So it's really important that you know about the anatomy of the triceps so you'll know how to work them. So we have the lateral head out here, we have a medial head, and then we also have the long head, which is on the inside. And I know you want to work them so you get that nice horseshoe that looks really nice when you got your shirt off walking down the beach, or you're putting your sleeves on and you purposely buy a shirt where the sleeves are way up here so you can flex them out. So I want to give you some exercises that are going to help you develop these triceps. So stick with me and we'll move on to our first exercise. Okay, so the first exercise I want to show you is the tricep press down. I really love this exercise. I've been doing it for years. As you heard me say, my coach back in high school had us all doing this for bigger triceps, more arm strength. And whenever you perform this exercise, you want to kind of arch your back a little bit. You don't want to be standing straight up and down. That's not going to help you out. So kind of arch your back a little bit. And just like we did in our bicep exercises, you don't want to keep the weight down at the bottom too long. You don't want to come up at the top. You want a good smooth range of motion all the way through the exercise. Again, let's not use a weight that's too heavy. It's more important that you use a weight that you can control, that you're keeping constant tension on your tricep, that you're doing properly and efficiently, and you're not using accessory muscles. You're not doing like this swinging motion. You know, you gotta be controlled. It's all about control and keeping the focus on the muscle group that you're actually working. Remember to flex it out as you're doing this lift. You're keeping good tension on your tricep, that you're flexing it, you're focusing on it working. Then whenever you get done, remember, rest for about 1 to 2 minutes, and we're gonna do 3 sets of that. So again, 30 to 40 reps per exercise. That's all we're doing. Remember, we're beginners. We're just getting into it. So we're not trying to get too crazy. We're not doing anything too fancy. We're just getting involved in starting to learn how to work out properly. Okay, so for our second exercise, what I want to do is the seated overhead dumbbell extension. So whenever you perform this exercise, just like all of our other exercises, grab a weight that you can do controlled, that you're not too heavy, because all that's going to do is end up hurting you. It's not going to be beneficial for you in the end. We want longevity in being able to exercise. So whenever you do this, what I like to do is I like to put my hands, wrap my hands around where you would grab. That bar right there, I just put my thumbs and my fingers over the top of it. Then I get it behind my head, I just extend out. So down and up. Again, not letting too much time at the bottom, not letting too much time at the top. You're just doing a smooth motion, keeping our elbows still, keeping your elbows close, keep them tucked in, don't let them chicken wing out, keep them in. And we're gonna do 10 to 12 reps of this. And then we kind of, what my technique is, I like to just let it sit on my shoulder and then bring it down slowly. So we're gonna do 10 to 12 reps of that, 3 sets, again, 30 to 40 reps, and then we'll move on to our next exercise. All right, the third exercise I want to show you is the close grip bench press. This is a really good tricep exercise, but you also want it to perform it the correct way, have the right body mechanics while performing this. So what I see with a lot of people who kind of mess this lift up is they might have their hands too close together, which makes the weight get off balance. Or they might have their hands too far apart, now replacing too much of the tension on our chest. So remember, we want to keep the tension on our triceps. We don't want it to be on our chest. We don't want it to be on our shoulders. We want it to keep the tension on our triceps. So in order to do this, keep your elbows tucked close to your side. Hand placement is very important during this exercise. Just shoulder width apart. So literally, whenever you get laid down, your elbows are tucked in and your hands are shoulder width apart. Bring them straight up on the bar, just like that. Now, whenever we perform this exercise, we're going to do our 10 to 12 reps, just like this. Not letting too much time at the bottom, not leaving too much time at the top, because now there's no tension on my tricep whatsoever. So we want a good smooth motion, keeping the tension on our triceps. All right, we're gonna do our 10 to 12 reps, 3 sets. We're waiting about 1 minute to 2 minutes in between our sets, and then we're done with that exercise. All right, that wraps up how to build bigger triceps for beginners. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the little thumbs up button. That really helps me and the channel grow. It helps me put out more content for you. Also, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the little box below. I try to get to those as soon as I can. And until next video, thank you.